Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can create Wise business account. So this is super useful if you want to send and receive international payments easily and keep your business finances organized. So make sure that you have the full version or correct plan to access all of the features. So what you will have to do is go to wise.com/business, which is their official website. And now that you're here, you will just have to click sign up, which is on the top right corner of your screen, and of course, you will have to enter your information. You will provide your email address, your or business email, password, and country of registration. And then after that, you will have to add your business details such as the company name, business type, registration number, and address. And after you've added all of that, you will just have to verify your identity by uploading your documents for business and account admin. So it could be either passport, driver's license, or whatsoever. So yeah, and after verifying, uploading everything, you will just have to set up your bank accounts by linking your UK business account and any recipient accounts for transfers. And yeah, that's how you can create a Wise business account to manage international transactions efficiently. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you, and have an awesome day.